Let's take a look at solving inequalities. Now, inequalities are very, very much like equations. Take a look at number one. If I had given you the problem 7 equals x over 9 plus 6, what would you do? Your first step would be to subtract 6 on both sides to get 1 is equal to x over 9. Then you would multiply both sides by 9 to get x equals 9. You're going to do the same exact thing with inequalities. It's just going to look a little different at the end. And there's one little detail that you have to remember, which is when you multiply or divide by a negative number, the sign flips. Don't worry about that right now. When we get to a problem like it, we'll worry about it more. So look how what we did mirrors inequality. Just like in the equation, we subtract 6 to get 1 is less than x over 9. Just like in the equation, we're going to multiply both sides by 9. Now we get 9 is less than x. For inequalities, you want to rewrite them so that the variable is on the left side, because that's how we read. We read from left to right. Notice that the mouth is eating the x, so you want to make sure it still does when you rewrite it. And we can now say x is greater than 9. So unlike an equation, you have to graph these. So make up where you think 9 is on the number line. It's an open circle because it's not or equal to. And then we're going to show to the right. So let's look at number 2. Same thing. If we had an equation, okay, same as an inequality, except for there's an equal sign instead of a less than or equal. I'm going to add 7 to both sides. Same thing here. So now I'm going to get h over 3 is less than or equal to negative 6. Here I'm going to get h over 3 is equal to negative 6. I'm going to multiply both sides by 3 to get h is less than or equal to negative 18. I did not multiply or divide by a negative, so I don't flip the sign. Now, I find where I want 18 to be. This time I color it in. I'm sorry, it should be negative 18, by the way. This time I color it in because it's or equal to. It's the less than or equal to sign. And then I make my arrow go to the left because I want all values that would be less than the negative 18.